All right, YouTube, we've already done the body work on this one. Got it in primer. We actually got Mike Conley's old Sprinter van, Mercedes Sprinter van here. A buddy of mine bought it and they're turning it into a black car service, so they paying us to paint it black. It's more like a blue, like a navy blue, so they wanted it black. Had a ton of body work, man. As y'all can see, this is just this side. This the back. And that's this side. All of this part right here was ripped. Man, we had to re-fiberglass and remake this lip. Had a big chunk out missing and a crack here, so we had to remake that. For what I was told, he used this to transport his dogs. So he had this area back here customized for just his dogs. So you got the dog mat. The dog had their own AC system to keep them cool back here. Water to fill up the water bowls. So pretty cool. And I believe that's probably where you hang the leashes at. But I know this area right here was all for his dogs. He transported his dogs. But it's going to get gutted out and turned into a black service van. Transporting people, proms. At the end of the video, I will put a flyer up that if you're ever in Memphis and want some luxury transportation around the city, they should be able to hook you up. So, all right, YouTube, that's it for this one. We're going to guide coat and wet sand all the primer and start taping it up for paint. So I'll show you guys how we got to this point, and then when I come back, we should be taping it up for paint. So enjoy the pictures and see y'all in a minute.
next day.
Alright, YouTube, the spreader van is now complete. We did a major transformation from blue, navy blue, to black. And this is what I would call our driver paint job, our driver quality paint job. It's not a show car, it's not a show quality. It's a good, decent paint job for everyday driving, which is what this vehicle is. It's going to be used every day for luxury transport. But one thing's for sure, we did make it glass. Y'all see me, I need to shave. So comment below, tell me guys what y'all think. We got a total of 57 hours in this van from start to finish, and we got 40 days. We did everything in 40 days and got a total of 57 hours. Now it's finna go to the upholstery shop and get everything on the inside gutted out and redone. Our part is done. So hit that like button, share it, subscribe, and see what I do next.